In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jobber Desktop AI. We'll walk through how to open Jobber, find the built-in AI assistant, and ask it questions so you can get quick help right inside your account. First, open your web browser and head to Jobber's welcome page. If you're exploring Jobber for the first time, the trial welcome screen works the same way for this walkthrough. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to glance around so you're oriented. The AI is built right into the desktop experience, so you won't need to install anything or leave the page. Next, look for the sparkle icon. This is the shortcut to Jobber's AI. You'll typically see it on the interface near where help tools live. Click that sparkle icon to open the AI panel. When it opens, you'll see a simple, clean space with a prompt field where you can ask a question. Now, place your cursor in the Ask a Question field. Type your question clearly, then press Enter on your keyboard or click the right arrow Send button to submit. That's it. The AI will process your request and display an answer directly in the panel. If the reply sparks a follow-up, just continue the conversation in the same field. A few tips to get better results. Be specific about what you're trying to do, like, how do I schedule a recurring visit? Or, where can I find unpaid invoices? If you're troubleshooting, mention what you've already tried so the AI can skip obvious steps. Keep your question short but complete and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your wording and ask again. Small clarifications can make a big difference. When you're done, you can close the panel and return to your dashboard with your new knowledge in hand. By going to the welcome page, clicking the sparkle icon, and entering your question, you'll be able to get fast, in-context help without breaking your workflow.